Hello and welcome to Steve's Backyard Bonsai. This is the Rose of Sharon that I got from my mom's house, and when I last worked on it I said I would come back and do a little surgery on some of these scars, see if I can get them to heal over nicer. They are healing over, but I can't say very nicely. I could do a much better job on these, so I got the Dremel out. My dad's old Dremel. I had purchased a Dremel for this purpose, and then when my dad passed away and we cleaned out the house for my mom to move out, I found his old Dremel. So instead of burning out a new one, I'm going to burn out his before I open mine. All right, let me get started on this. I'll move in closer so you can see, but I just want to point out the leaves that are coming on this. They come from everywhere. This species, Rose of Sharon, is known for a lot of crotch growth. It's also known for putting out new branches. That will be a branch right there, and most of these will extend pretty far out. So as I mentioned in the earlier video, I will come back in, make some selections and cutbacks once this leaves out just a little further. Trying to round this tree out by growing this branch more to match this branch. I hope you can see that. So I will zoom in on the areas that I'm going to be working on, and let's get started with the Dremeling. Shouldn't take long. All right, here we go. You steady yourself. You take little bites. I want to develop new tissue down below. But up top, I don't want to disturb the rollover that's happened already. Well, you get the gist. I'm going to go into fast mode and do a little bit of a faster job on this. Well, that was fun. I should have had the fan running the whole time. It's got a little dusty. I was wearing a mask. Luca was not, though, so I'm a little worried. He started to make sounds of protest while I was doing this. So I'm sorry, Luca. I got the fan running full tilt now. I hit a couple of spots with the tool as I was coming out. The rule should be you wait till it stops rotating before you pull it out. I did not follow that rule, so shame on me. But I'll zoom in on this, kind of show you what I did. What I still have to do, actually. I'll do that after. You don't have to see me do all of this. Yeah, this is a beautiful tree. It really is. I enjoy working on it. Oh, Luke is going to love eating those off the floor. Okay, so now you can see this one is hollowed out quite a bit more than it was. It's unfortunate down here, but that should start rolling over right away. I cut into some live tissue down below. Make sure you can see that. So that should start rolling over right away. I will get some cut paste on there very thinly. Over here, this is a much deader piece of wood, but I also cut down below a little further. And I wanted to extend this shari down. It got so tight in there that I couldn't get the tool in. I may do some handwork. There is some old cut paste there because whatever was there had broken away and it had dragged itself down. But everything has begun to heal over, and I think it'll look a lot better now. All right, let me end with a 360 of this Rose of Sharon. It's really beginning to leaf out nicely, and now it will heal a lot better than I had given it the opportunity to before. All right. Thanks again for keeping me company in my backyard.